Hello guys, today we are going to discuss about air conditioning system. In our modern world, air conditioning has an essential part of our lives, providing us comfort and relief during hot and humid days. But have you ever wondered what an air conditioning system is and how it actually works? In this article, we will delve into the intricacies of air conditioning systems, exploring their working principles and shedding light on the fascinating world of temperature control. Okay guys, my first question is, what is an air conditioning system? An air conditioning system is a complex network of components designed to regulate and control the temperature, humidity, and air quality within a specific environment. By removing heat from indoor spaces and transferring it outside, these systems create a comfortable living or working environment, making our lives more pleasant and productive. Components of an air conditioning system. To better understand the inner workings of an air conditioning system, let's take a closer look at its key components. Compressor. The heart of the air conditioning system, the compressor is responsible for pressurizing the refrigerant and circulating it through the system. Heat exchange. The primary purpose of an air conditioning system is to remove heat and humidity from indoor spaces. Expansion valve. Also known as a metering device, the expansion valve controls the flow of refrigerant and helps in its transition from high pressure to low pressure. Evaporator. As the refrigerant passes through the evaporator, it absorbs heat from the indoor air, effectively reducing the temperature and dehumidifying the space. Air handling unit. This unit is responsible for distributing the conditioned air throughout the room or building, ensuring that every corner benefits from the cooling effect. Working principle of an air conditioning system. Now that we are familiar with the main components, let's dive into the working principle of an air conditioning system. Refrigeration cycle. Air conditioning systems operate on a refrigeration cycle, which involves the continuous circulation of the refrigerant. This cycle consists of four main stages: compression, condensation, expansion, and evaporation. Compression. The compressor pressurizes the refrigerant, raising its temperature and converting it into a high-pressure gas. Condensation. In the condenser, the high-pressure gas releases heat to the surrounding environment, causing it to condense into a high-pressure liquid. Expansion. Through the expansion valve, the high-pressure liquid undergoes a sudden drop in pressure, allowing it to transition into a low-pressure liquid. Evaporation. As the low-pressure liquid enters the evaporator, it absorbs heat from the indoor air, transforming into a low-pressure gas. Heat exchange. The primary purpose of an air conditioning system is to remove heat and humidity from indoor spaces. By utilizing the refrigerant's unique properties, heat is absorbed from the air inside the room and transferred to the condenser, where it is released into the outside environment. Air circulation. The conditioned air, now cooled and dehumidified, is distributed throughout the room or building via the air handling unit. This ensures a uniform temperature and comfortable environment for occupants. Conclusion. Air conditioning systems play a vital role in our lives, providing us with relief from the scorching heat and humidity. Understanding their inner workings helps us appreciate the complexity behind their cooling magic. From the compressor to the condenser, Each component contributes to the overall functionality of these systems. So, the next time you step into a cool and comfortable space, take a moment to appreciate the marvels of air conditioning technology. Thanks for watching.